Good morning, boys and girls. Happy Friday. I hope you all have a wonderful day today and that you all are ready to begin today's day. And we will start off with the morning meeting. So, first, we will do the Pledge of Allegiance. So, if you can please stand up, put your right hand across your chest, and follow along. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Now the Texas Pledge. I pledge honor the Texas flag. I pledge of allegiance to thee, Texas, one state under God, one and indivisible. Thank you, boys and girls. You may be seated. Now we're going to go over the days of the week.
Healthy music for a child's heart, body, and mind. 7 days of the week from Preschool Learning Fun by The Learning Station. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. 7 days are in a week. I like to sing them quiet. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. 7 days are in a week. I like to sing them loud. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. 7 days are in a week. I like to clap them out. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. 7 days are in a week. I like to stomp them out. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday.
Teachers at this time, please dismiss pickup students 1 through 10. Teachers, please dismiss pickup students 1 through 10.
Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. 7 days are in a week. I'd like to sing again. 7 days are in a week. I'd like it one more time. 7 days are in a week.
Now the months of the year.
January, February, March and April, May and June and July and August, September, October, November, December. These are the months of the year. January, February, March and April, May and June and July and August, September, October, November, December. These are the months of the year. January, February, March and April, May and June and July and August, September, October, November, December. These are the months of the year. These are the months of the year.
Awesome job, boys and girls. So, good morning once again. We are going to start. So, today is Friday, April 23, 2021. And we have our days of the week right here. So, I want you all to help me with yesterday was and tomorrow will be. So if today is Friday, can anybody tell me what yesterday was? Yes, yesterday was Thursday. And if today is Friday, tomorrow will be Saturday. Yay! Tomorrow we get to stay home and not worry about work. So for today's weather, I'm going to say it is partly sunny, cloudy. It's just been very weird these past days. Sometimes the sun comes out, sometimes it doesn't. So I'm between partly sunny and cloudy, one of those two. And I'm going to say cool because it is not cold. However, it's not warm either. It's just nice. It's just cool outside. So I'm going to say partly sunny, cloudy, and cool. For today's mood meter, I want to know how you all are feeling today. So I will start first. So today, Miss Gonzalez is feeling happy because tomorrow is Saturday and we do not have to wake up early or worry about work or school or anything. All we can do is just relax and stay home. So that makes Miss Gonzalez very happy. This is why I am in the yellow. Now I want to know how you all are feeling today. That is great. I hope everybody is in the yellow area like Miss Gonzalez, or if not, at least in the green. But if by any reason you are feeling in the red or blue, I hope your day turns out better. And do not forget, the day is going to end. Tomorrow will be a new day, so you will not feel like this forever. So now I'm going to go over the schedule. So today is Friday. We're going to start off with breakfast and morning meeting, which is what you should be watching right now. After that, we're going to do personal hygiene. Do not forget to go to the restroom, wash your hands, brush your teeth, wash your face. Then, since it is Friday, we are going to continue with IEP goals. Once you have done your IEP goals, have some free time, boys and girls. Play. Just relax, forget about work just for a little while. This time is time for you. Once you have had a couple of minutes of free time, do not forget to do story time. You can read a book or do the read out louds we have on Teams. Then after story time, you will have lunch. I hope you have a good lunch to eat. Then after a while, don't forget to do some exercise, boys and girls. I need you all to stand up and get that heart rate moving, whether you're walking or dancing or running or playing, anything, boys and girls. I just need you up and moving and getting that heart rate up. If you don't know what to do, here are some activities that you all are more than welcome to do. You can play tag if you have anyone to play tag with. Maybe even ride a bike if it's not too cold outside, or take a walk with an adult. Please do not go by yourself. You must go with an adult. Other than that, if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. All of your teachers' informations are right here. If you do not have any questions for us, do not forget to submit your assignment to Teams so you can get a grade. Once you have done that and you have given us a thumbs up for attendance, you are good for the day. I hope you all have a wonderful weekend, and we will see you here back on Monday, boys and girls. Bye.